Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a Mixpanel funnel. Okay, so first up, just go ahead and open up a board. And once done, just add in a content. Okay, click on the plus sign. Now here we have a funnels report. Okay, just click on it. Now in here, it will need two funnels to get started. Now to add a funnel, just go ahead over to the right panel. You'll be able to select a funnel behavior from here. Select step, just click on it. The first step may be sign up, like so. And the second step is maybe session end. Okay, just wait for the report. And here you have your Mixpanel funnel. You could also add more steps if you want to. Just click on plus add step and to add in a custom event afterwards. Okay, you can change the time window right here at the top. Maybe yesterday, 7 days, 30 days, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Okay, funnel step right here. It could be a line, bar, metric. And once you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and hit on save. And once done, you're good to go. That's how you create a Mixpanel funnel. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.